I'm here to talk to you a little bit about an easy way to take notes and make sure that they save automatically when you're taking notes in Edmentum. So the first thing I want you to do is to come up here and actually click on this puzzle piece for extensions. And the extension for Cami is actually automatically already installed for everyone. I'm going to go ahead and pin that so it's going to stay up here so you'll always have that K, and I'm going to click on it. Now the first time you go into Cami, you have to sign up. So I'm going to continue with Google, and I'm going to click Frederick Douglass Students, and I'm going to allow all of the permissions that it needs. So you're going to want to allow all of this. And then you're going to have to tell it just a little bit. You're using it for school, you're a student, and press finish. And now welcome to Cami. And I highly encourage you, if this is the first time you've ever done it, you can click the get started and do the activity to get started, okay? But I'm going to show you how, now that I'm signed into Cami, I'm going to open my guided notes. So I'm going to go ahead into Algebra, and I'm going to go into a tutorial. So I'll go to Expressions, and I'll go ahead into that tutorial and grab my guided notes, right? So when I click on guided notes, they open, and now I have this Open with Cami button because I have installed Cami. So I click Open with Cami, and it opens with Cami. And I can type in here. Now the great thing is, as soon as you type and it tries to save, it says, hey, this file is not uploaded. So I can save it to Google Drive, and oh, there was a checkbox there. I could have even said always upload and made it upload. So now this is saved on my Google Drive. So the next time that I want to open my notes, I'm not going to go here to guided notes. I'm actually going to go to Cami, and Cami will have all my recent documents, and I can open this. Now one thing that I would definitely do is look at this name. This is a horrible name. I want it to be the name of the tutorial, Expressions, right? So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, and now I have that. And then from here, you're just typing in, and it gives you the boxes. It's very easy to fill in. I could definitely do a split screen with this, so I could put this here, put the tutorial here, and have them side by side. Now, it's crowded, right? So we would have to make this smaller and make it work. This definitely tests the limits of how well you can see, because I have so much stuff going on. But I'm gonna, oh, sorry, I meant to click this button. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead you know what, I'm just gonna go to the glossary and grab the word expression, right? So as you go through, you can copy and bring it over, right? So now I have what the definition of an expression is, and it's very simple for me to share. I can click share. It makes my file public, okay? And I can just copy this, and that can be what I share with my teacher. So I can just go ahead and do an email to my teacher. Oh, you know what? I would just do the email here. Let's go here. Let's go. It's hard because it's so small. You know what, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to click Save and Exit. And I'm going to close this. And now I can click a message my teacher, and let's say that Mr. Corbo is my teacher. Math notes. Hopefully you can spell better than me. And I can just send this to Mr. Corbo now, and it will send him this link. Press send, and it goes to him. okay? This is easy peasy way to do it. Now, I wouldn't send it to him every single time. I would make sure that you're sending this only when it's completed. I hope this helps, and I hope you're having a great time getting started with Edmentum.